Good morning and happy end of 2023.
Pretty good year.
Any road.
Anyway.
We're Amy and Brent Powell. We're realtors in the North Olympic Peninsula of Washington State. We have the Strait of Juan de Fuca right out on the other side of the house.
Yeah.
And we can see Canada.
Yeah.
And the ferry goes from here to Victoria. That's a fun one.
So we had lunch with Phil and Maria. Hey, Phil and Maria. This last week.
Good people thinking about moving this way.
So when you're in our area, give us a shout. We can get a meal or a cup of coffee or something.
Yep. Any road.
So
we every week we go through the homes that have sold this past week. And Brent, you want to start with Port Angeles?
let's rock and roll. We begin with the least expensive and move toward the more expensive homes. The first one in Port Angeles is on East 9th Street, 123 East 9th. So it's up the hill that way, one block over that way.
We usually don't give the house number, but that is.
I gave the house number, didn't I?
That is between Laurel and Lincoln.
So this is on East 9th Street. Originally priced at $225,000, sold for $250,000. That's 25 over. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, 2 days on the market. Built in 1928 with 1,022 square feet on a standard lot of 1.16 acres, and they have a mountain view.
Great. House number 2 is on South A Street, on the west side of town. Are you done coughing?
Yeah, barely. Excuse me.
I'll wait.
Okay, good.
He's going to do it again, I know it. On South A, Port Angeles and the west side didn't use their imagination and they're alphabetical. So this one was a manufactured home listed for $280,000. It sold for $227,500. 2 bedroom, 1 bath, 79 days on the market. Built in 1994 with 784 square feet on 0.16 in a neighborhood view.
Interesting. Okay, next one is on West 7th Street, that away, compared to where we are. And originally priced at $379,000, sold for $350,000.
Which way did you point? Okay.
West, yeah.
Okay.
3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 13 days on the market, built in 1978 with 1,405 square feet on a standard lot of 0.16 of an acre, and they have a mountain view.
House number 4 sold in Port Angeles on West 12th Street. Listed for $380,000. It actually went for, listed for $350,000, went for $380,000. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, 22 days on the market, built in 1980 with 1,756 square feet on 0.21 of an acre and a saltwater view.
All right, moving right along.
Yeah.
The next one is on Dunker. That's also west, very close to Waterview. Some of it does have it.
And the trail.
And the Olympic Discovery Trail, which is soon to be one of the premier bike trails in the whole country, traveling from Port Townsend to the Pacific Ocean, and being roughly 100 and some miles.
Yeah.
And it's not contiguous yet. There's portions you have to ride on highways, but it's coming together. So this is on Dunker, and originally priced for $487,000, sold for $490,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 6 days on the market. Built in 2016 with 1,554 square feet and 0.21 of an acre. And these are very nice homes. We've sold some out there. They all have, I think it's 9-foot ceilings, and they have their own sprinkler system, because the way the fire code is, if you are too far from the local fire station, you have to have a sprinkler system. So these guys do.
I think new builds are like that too.
Yeah, maybe new builds are like that too. I don't know. So you want to bring it home? This
Okay,
is the
so
last one.
Are you done talking?
Yeah.
Okay. So that ends the homes. The last one I included, just because it closed yesterday, is a 14-unit apartment building. It's on South Francis Street. It was 14 units of 860 square feet each. I don't know if anybody's interested, but 13 of them were 2 bedroom, 1 bath. One was an ADA, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Listed for $2 million. It ended up selling for 1,784,250, and it took 103 days to get to that. And that ends Port Angeles.
Yeah, normally we don't cover multi-homes, but since we had so few homes this week, we
Moving
do.
on to Sequim.
Yeah.
Just in case somebody is interested in multifamily.
The dogs are back. Okay, Sequim. First one is on Still Road.
Winning couch.
And either that's because it's very quiet, or we had some people brewing stuff there. Who knows? But anyway, originally priced for $420,000, sold for $369,000, and 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 88 days on the market. Built in 1990 with 1,096 square feet, and they have just a little over 1/4 of an acre. Nice sized lot on Still Road.
Okay, the next house in Sequim is on Hoodus.
Hoodus.
Hodis Lane. Looks like a cute house. Listed for $425. It sold for $400. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 25 days on the market. Built in 1900.
Holy cow.
That's an old puppy. With 1,432 square feet on just under 4 acres, and it had a mountain view.
Yeah, very nice. Okay, second to last in Sequim this week is Applegate Lane. Finally, a normal name. I grew up in Southern Oregon, and we had the Applegate Valley.
No one cares.
Okay, anyway.
Do you care?
Originally priced for $699,000, sold for $670,000. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, 1/2 bath, and it has 130 days on the market, and built in 1978 with 2,083 square feet, with 2.30 acres.
Okay, and wrapping it up for this year is on Sunnydale Lane in Sequim, listed for $759,900. It sold over asking for $780. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3 days. A lot of threes here. 3 days on the market. Built in 1997 with 2,106 square feet, 3.44 acres, and a territorial view.
There you have it. So this is our last week as Keller Williams agents. The brokerage that we've been associated with for the past 3 years has been Keller Williams. And that brokerage is changing allegiance, and we will be...
Our local one.
Our local one, yeah.
Yeah, we're leaving Keller Williams.
Yeah, Keller Williams still is, all over the place. So the new name of our new brokerage is...
Ideal Real Estate.
Ideal Real Estate.
So we'll have more news to come on that.
Yeah.
Okay, anything else?
Let's see, what else?
Market. Did we say? Yeah, we.
Come here, Berkey. So Logan got a new puppy.
You want to bring Berkey over here?
You call.
Come here, Berkey. Come here, girl. Boy. Come here, boy. He's a boy. Come here, Berkey. If you want to grab him.
This is Logan's new puppy. It's
Yeah. Yeah, look at
got
that.
blue eyes.
Yeah, okay. Okay, anyway, there he is.
Smile for the camera.
You gotta-
It's your debut.
So he's a border poodle like Winnie. Actually, is Winnie's half brother, and same
Papa.
papa, different mothers.
All right.
And so
They're all muddy.
They have a great time.
And so we'll see you in the new year. Have a great, safe New Year's Eve.
Yeah.
We'll
Thanks.
be in bed.
Thanks for being, what are they? Our subscriber.
Subscribers and watchers.
And so if you get a chance to subscribe, that'd be great. We're up to about 450 now.
And if you want to look at the possibility of moving here and buying a home, we'd be happy to help you.
Yeah, and so we're always looking for suggestions on how to,
Is somebody coming? What are we looking at here?
Okay, that's okay.
Downstairs.
Don't worry, that's a gunshot.
No, it's downstairs, that big door.
Oh yeah, downstairs. So we don't normally. We used to live in Tacoma. And that's
Stop
enough.
it.
And we finally had to move because the sound of gunfire became too common. we were guessing caliber, you know. It sounded like a 12 gauge that time. But anyway,
Oh, gee.
we don't really have gunfire here in Port Angeles. It's always good. Yeah. Where were we? What were we talking about?
I don't
Oh, yeah.
know.
Suggestions.
Oh, yeah.
How can we
Besides singing and dancing,
and make it more interesting?
is there
you
something
know,
we're missing that
we're-
you guys would like to hear
We're
about?
not going to have explosions, that kind of action. You know, it's not going to be an action
Throw the
channel.
ball for Winnie. How's that?
Yeah. But anyway, if you have a suggestion, let us know. It's always fun to hear from you. We'll get back
Okay.
to you. We'll respond if you do. So have a great week. See you next week.
Year.
Week.
Bye.